How to enable direct messages on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable direct messages on TikTok step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on settings and privacy. And now here, once you are inside the settings and privacy section, simply tap on the option labeled as privacy. And now here under the privacy, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as messaging. So simply tap on it. And now here under the messaging, you can see the option labeled as permission settings at the top. So simply tap on it. And here on the next page, you just have to tap on the option labeled others on TikTok. And here once you tap on it, so as of right now, to enable the direct messages on TikTok, you just have to select request and that's it. That's how you can enable direct messages on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.